What's unique about my story is that I'm not only an employee here at Signature Healthcare, I'm also a patient. I'm Jeff Miller. I work here at Signature Healthcare, been here for about 5 years now. Several years ago, I was on my exercise bike and I started to feel some chest pain, just a little twinge. So I stayed on the bike again for about another minute and it continued, and I said, I better get off here. So jumped off the bike, went downstairs, popped an aspirin, and said, I think I better go see somebody about this. Just because you work for a healthcare organization doesn't hold you to getting your health care at that organization. And I think people are often tempted. You know, there's specialists in Boston. Maybe I should go to Boston. Maybe I should go someplace where there's an academic medical center. But knowing the reputation of the cardiac program here and the physicians associated with that program, I knew I was going to stay here. The physician I saw here at Signature Healthcare was Dr. Jean-Pierre Jaja. And when I first came here, I heard about Dr. Jaja and how he did this procedure called radial stenting. And by going in through your wrist, was able to do a cardiac catheterization. So I went to see him. He began doing some tests, and one thing led to another, and I ended up having that same procedure done by Dr. Jaja. That same day, within an hour or so, I was up and walking around, and I didn't have to take the precautions that other people have when they have a standard catheterization. So I felt really good about the procedure. Had a tiny scar the size of a pinhole to show for it. And I'm doing great, I feel great, and I'm happy that I had the opportunity to have such great health care with Dr. Jaja and the cardiology team here at Signature Healthcare.